Skip the multivitamin. 5 nutrient-rich foods recommended by doctors. Think you need a multivitamin? Doctors share a surprising alternative, and it's not in a pill bottle. Here's why swapping supplements for whole foods could transform your health, and why it's easier than you think. In an era where convenience rules, many reach for multivitamins as a quick nutritional safety net. But medical experts are sounding the alarm. While supplements fill gaps, they can't replace nature's perfect packages. Fox News Digital talked to 2 leading physicians who reveal the top food-based solutions to 5 common multivitamin ingredients, and they're more powerful than you'd expect. The controversy: should we trust labs or Mother Nature? While multivitamins claim to provide everything, research shows whole foods deliver synergistic nutrients that pills can't match. It's not just about vitamin levels. It's about how they work in your body, Dr. William Lee explains. So which foods are hiding as health heroes?